QNT continues to see a bit of a breakdown move after losing our support area above the $69.1, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold within our support box between the $68.4 and the $61.3. And on today's video I will be discussing the case scenarios that can play out in case we continue holding within this key area of support, and also give you the case scenarios that can play out in case we break to the lower side of the support area. And above all, I will be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis, giving you key areas that we need to continue holding on the daily chart. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, where you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. And all you need to have for registration is an email address, and alternatively you can use your phone number for registration. Jumping back to the chart, I want to start the video on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, where we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the $81. And that bounce to the upside, I have been terming it as an Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that wave 1, I was expecting that we are going to see a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And if by any chance we continue holding within this area, there's a very high chance that in the next coming days or maybe weeks we are going to start an impulsive movement to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. We also need to have in mind that at some point we might see QNT giving us some bearish movements in a move that can easily break to the lower side of this target area. And the moment that plays out, then there's a very high chance that QNT is going to give us a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September. And the moment that plays out and maybe we lose the significant lows below the $56, there's a very high chance that we are going to continue seeing further breakdown moves, giving us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August. So that is the alternative scenario that you need to have in mind in case we lose this key area of support over here. Jumping to the daily chart, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, I still believe that we got our bear market lows below the $40, and we started a very nice recovery over here where we picked in a 5-wave structure that picked above the $229, completing the formation of an even larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that wave 1, we started a bit of a short-term pullback in a wave 2 into the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have the lows in place for the second wave, and in the next coming days a wave 3 can easily play out. But we need to have in mind that for that wave 3 to play out, we need to see QNT holding above the fib level 0.88 here by connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high of my Elliot wave count 1, where you can see that the fib level 0.88 lies above the $61.8, and that line of support is holding at the moment. And the moment we lose that key area of support over here, there's a very high chance that we are going to unlock more bearish case scenarios, giving us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August, and also giving us a reset of the bear market lows below the $40. So that is something that we need to have in mind and be cautious about, because there's a very high chance that we can easily make new bear market lows here on the QNT chart. So that is all I'm expecting to play out on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.